guys, so today's video is going to be a cooking video. I'm going to be making some chicken Parmesan bites, but it's not real chicken, it's vegan chicken. So I've never tried this before, but we're going to try it out. And on the back it says after school chicken parm bites, and I was like, I'm hungry and it's after school, so I think it's a sign that I should just make it. Also, I got a haircut, if you can't tell. Super cute. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna preheat my oven to 450. Okay, so first thing, I don't know if I should line the thingy or not, the pizza thingy, but I'm not. I'm just gonna spray it with some non-stick cooking spray. Okay, so we're just gonna spray it a little bit, like so. We're not going to add any of the marinara or cheese first. We're just going to cook them. Cook them first. Oh, they're little. Maybe like 4. 1, 2. Let's see what serving size is. Oh, 2 pieces. Well, I'm doing 4. They're vegan. How bad can they be? It says to put them in for 16 to 20 minutes, turning once until crispy. So we're going to do that. Time to put them out. Hopefully I don't burn my finger. I don't have a glove on. Alright. Okay, so I'm just going to put 16 minutes and check it halfway. So at 8. No. I'll check it when it beeps. So for the toppings, we're just going to have some... I have pizza sauce, but marinara pizza sauce, I feel like it's the same thing. And then I have some fresh mozzarella cheese, which I will slice and apply it to the chicken parm. Actually, I'm too lazy. I'm just going to do regular shredded cheese. Instead, we're just going to do some regular Monterey Jack. Shredded. Fancy cheese. So fancy. Okay, so I added the marinara. And now I'm going to add some cheese. This is not vegan, so it's not fully vegan. But click back into the thing until our beautiful cheese is melted. So they're not plated pretty, but this is how they look, and I'm gonna try it for y'all. So just cut off a little bit. This has a nice crusty, crunchy piece. It tastes good. I can tell there's not as much flavor. Actually, it kind of tastes like fish, which I don't really like fish, but this is good. It's not as like strong chickeny flavor, but it is such a close thing to it. Of course, it's not going to be perfect because it's vegan, but it's really good either way. And in the thing, on the bag, it said to top with some crushed red pepper, which I love this stuff, so might as well. Never had chicken parm with crushed red pepper. There's first for everything. That's how it looks. So yeah, I'm going to just enjoy this as my afternoon snack. It's probably like 300 calories. It's not that bad, honestly. So that's it for my video. I hope y'all enjoyed. If y'all want more recipe videos, comment down below because there's a lot more things. And if y'all really want it, then I'll really try my videos and I'll edit them cool and it'll be really cool. So yeah, just let me know down in the comments and make sure to like and subscribe. I'm gonna enjoy this. Okay, update. I just finished the chicken, and I was so by the chicken again. It was freaking delicious. Add some red pepper flakes on it. It's even good without them, but oh my god. Mom, wasn't it good? Delicious. So yeah, that's for the end of my video. Hope you enjoyed.